In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your PayPal account, website, and mobile app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap or click and what to expect as your funds move into your PayPal balance. Let's start on the PayPal website. Open your web browser, go to paypal.com, and sign in. At the top of the page, click the menu icon, then choose Wallet. On the Wallet page, click your PayPal balance. If this is your first time adding money, it may show zero, and that's completely normal. Next, select Transfer Money and be sure to choose Add Money to your balance, not Transfer to Bank. From here, pick a linked bank account. If you don't have one linked yet, you'll need to add a bank account first before you can move money in. Enter the amount you want to add, review your details carefully, and click Next to confirm. Standard transfers from a bank to your PayPal balance on the website usually take 3 to 5 business days. Weekends and holidays typically don't count toward that time frame, so give it a little time and watch for the update in your balance. There's usually no fee for standard add, but always check what's displayed on your screen before confirming. Now let's do the same thing in the PayPal mobile app. Open the app on your iPhone or Android and log in. On the home screen, tap your PayPal balance in the middle of the screen, then tap Add Money. You'll see options for how to add funds, such as adding from a bank account, adding cash, or cashing a check. Depending on your country or region, not all options may be available. Choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you want to add, and tap Add to your balance to confirm. Unlike the website's standard timeline, the app often processes this type of bank ad immediately after you confirm, so you may see your balance update right away. If you don't, it may still be processing in the background, so just keep an eye on it. A quick reminder before we wrap up, you must have at least one bank account linked to add money to your PayPal balance, and the features you see can vary depending on where you live. For the smoothest experience, make sure your PayPal name matches your bank account name, and always double check the amount and source account before you confirm. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.